and dry.
And once you put it on there, I'm gonna let that window stay up for a couple of days before I even touch it. Is it touching pretty good? What is, you know, like, is it touching pretty good?
Damn, I wish I would left it unplugged. Well, no. I don't want to come on to that where it's damn dry. You know, it'll stick on to the other side. I don't want to stick on to the black part. I want to stick on to the chrome.
You got something to spread it across there?
I ran a beam across.
Okay, that should be.
That should hold it.
Don't you gotta have glue on all sides that it broke or no?
I put glue on both sides. I put glue on there before I put it in there.
Okay.
On that back side, the side that you can't get to when you put this on. And see, these dealers, they know this plastic ain't gonna last long. They used to make these things out of metal.
Tight glue.
You have to make it out of metal, but now
It's plastic. The damn the metal would have been still clicking, wouldn't it? Still clicking. I wonder why they do some shit like that, man. Saving money, trying to save money.
making money.
Making money, just throw that shit together.
Cause they know when they built these cars, ain't no tell how many people broke these things.
Right.
Cause they were plastic.
Yeah.
Once you push it real hard, you're gonna break it.
Oh, you can just bump your hand on it.
And break it.
And break it. If you ain't paying no attention, you know what I'm saying, you just hit your hand on it.
You see, they know if they make it out of plastic, it's gonna break. Then you gotta do what?
You gotta buy the whole thing. Really? You really gotta buy the whole thing.
You gotta buy this whole piece. But just so how ain't nothing wrong with